Hey guys, today we're diving deep into two of the best sunrise alarm clocks designed to transform your mornings. Let's compare the smart, feature-rich Hatch Restore 3 against the clinically validated Philips Wake Up Light, helping you decide which is your perfect wake-up companion. The Hatch Restore 3 boasts a sleek, fabric-wrapped design, fitting seamlessly into any modern bedroom aesthetic. Its premium look appeals to those valuing design, and its improved brightness offers a truly natural sunrise simulation, gently easing you awake. For sleep seekers, Hatch offers a vast library of sounds, including meditations and soundscapes, perfect for winding down. The Philips Wake Up Light provides a scientifically proven colored sunrise, transitioning from red to orange to yellow over 20 to 40 minutes. This gradual light change is clinically validated, with Philips claiming 92% of users wake up easier. It includes 5 natural alarm sounds plus FM radio. For tech enthusiasts, the Hatch Restore 3's initial setup requires a smartphone and Bluetooth. Once configured, its intuitive physical buttons make daily use for bedtime routines, volume, and snooze incredibly user-friendly. The Philips Wake Up Light is refreshingly straightforward with no app required. Simply plug it in, set your alarm time and light duration, and you're done. Its simple tap snooze and auto-dimming display add to its user convenience. Have you decided yet? Click the link in the description to get your favorite now. The Hatch Restore 3 is well built with a premium fabric cover and minimalist aesthetic, appealing to modern design sensibilities. The Philips Wake Up Light features a solid LED build designed for longevity, with Philips claiming decades of use without light replacement. Its trusted clinical design is backed by a 2-year warranty, offering peace of mind for health-conscious buyers. The Hatch Restore 3 is reasonably priced, often available with sales and a 30-night trial. However, budget shoppers should note that full access to its premium audio content and routines requires a Hatch Plus subscription. The Philips Wake Up Light offers excellent value with no ongoing fees. It's a one-time purchase, providing clinically validated benefits and a solid warranty, making it a straightforward investment in your sleep health. So, which one is right for you? If you're a sleep seeker who loves customization and doesn't mind a subscription, the Hatch Restore 3 offers an immersive, flexible experience. But if you prioritize straightforward, reliable design, clinical backing, and a one-time purchase, the Philips Wake Up Light is a timeless, health-conscious winner. Ready to place your order? Click the link in the description to purchase yours now. Let me know which one you'd pick in the comments below, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech comparisons.